In this video, I'll show you how to change ownership of a Google Docs document. If you need to hand over a document to someone else, Google Docs lets you transfer ownership in just a few steps. This is useful if you're leaving a project, passing work to a teammate, or simply want another person to fully control the file. First, open the Google Docs document you want to transfer. Then go to the top right corner and click Share. Before you can transfer ownership, the other person must already have access to the file. If they are not added yet, enter their email address, give them access, and send the invite. Once that person appears in the sharing list, click the drop-down menu next to their name. In the menu, choose Transfer Ownership. After that, confirm the change when Google asks. On personal Google accounts, the other person usually gets an email and has to accept the ownership transfer before it becomes final. After the transfer is accepted, that person becomes the new owner, and your role is normally changed to editor. That means you can still work on the file unless the new owner changes your access later. There are also a couple of important limits to keep in mind. If you use a personal Google account, you cannot transfer ownership of a file to someone with a work or school account. And if you use Google Workspace for work or school, you can usually transfer ownership only to someone inside the same organization. If you don't see the transfer option, that usually means one of three things. The file has not been shared with that person yet. The person does not have the right permission level, or the account type does not allow the transfer. In that case, check the sharing settings first. So to change ownership of a Google Docs document, open the file, click Share, make sure the other person already has access, then use the drop-down next to their name and select Transfer Ownership. Once they accept, they become the new owner of the file. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.